Hi guys, today I'm gonna build a fume hood. First I'm shopping for supplies. I'm looking for the right size wood to fit my lab table. I found the perfect sheet, now let's cut it in half. Here's everything we'll need to build the fume hood. Now let's start building. I used the strong adhesive to stick the wood together. Now I'm nailing it in. It's best to use fire-retardant plywood because it provides extra safety when working with chemicals. I used a jigsaw to carve out a circle here. Now we'll use some plexiglass for the front sash. It will let me see the reaction while staying protected. Now I'm nailing it on. Even though we'll be adding ventilation near the top there, next we'll add the roof for containment and stability. I'm also using duct tape to seal the edges. This will keep the airflow efficient and fumes contained. I'm using shelf liner for the bottom so I can replace it if it gets dirty. Now for the ventilation. Use an explosion-proof exhaust fan with a sealed motor. This will vent flammable fumes without sparks. The ductwork material is important too. Here are some common ones. They must be chemical and fire resistant. This vent at the end will go out the window. It's also critical to ground the ducting to prevent static buildup, which could cause ignition. This simple design is functional and makes the parts easily replaceable. Let's test it out. When copper is added to nitric acid, it produces copper nitrate, water, and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide's that brown gas that you see, and it's toxic. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.